Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel for another makeup tutorial. If today is your first time of stopping by, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. God bless you. First, I'm using a face primer to prime my face. Next, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Matte Foundation in the shade Classic Tan 335 for my face. Next, I'm using a concealer to conceal my face. Please don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe button. Show me love by subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. I'm grateful. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for showing me love. I appreciate it so much. Thank you. God bless you. Next, I'm using Elegel Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa to contour my cheek and my nose. Contouring the forehead too. Some contour to the forehead. Next, I'm using a pressed powder to set my highlights first. Next, I'm using a setting powder to set and bake my highlights. Next, I'm using CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer to bronze my cheek and my forehead. Next, I'm defining my nose contour by cleaning up the powder the side. Next is brow time. I'm using Davis brow pencil in number 3 for my brows. Next, I'm using concealer to clean up my brow to define it more. Next is eyes. I'm using this eyeshadow palette. I'm using a light, what is shade name of this? Like a peachy color, peachy shade, light, like something like light pink as my transition color for my crease first. Then next I'm using this red shade, light red shade for my crease too. Next I'm using a red shade for my lid, for my eyelid, but that red shade was not coming out well the way I wanted, so I changed to another eyeshadow palette to use another red shade. This one is coming out well. I'm using a red shade for my eyelid, the whole of my eyelid. Then I'm using a brown shade for my outer crease to darken it a little bit, the outer and a little bit of the inner crease too. Then I'm using a NYX Milk Zobo pencil, white, it's white, for my waterline. NYX Milk Zobo pencil for my waterline. Then I'm using the same red eyeshadow I use on my eyelid for my lower lash line. Then I'm lining my eyes now with a liquid eyeliner. With a little wing, little tiny wing. It's mascara time. I'm using mascara to clean all the fallout from the eyeshadow on my eyes. Natural lashes. Then I'm buffing off all the powder, cleaning up the face, removing all the powder and all the fallout, eyeshadow fallout. I'm cleaning everything up. And I'm wearing my eyelash, my false lashes now. And I'm using a powder puff to blend everything together on my face. Blend my face to smoothen it. I'm adding more bronzer for my on my cheek and my forehead. Next is blush time. I'm using a blush palette from Tara Makeup for my cheek. Next is highlighter time. I'm using highlighter from Younger Beauty. Is a Candid Glow highlighter in the shade Buckish for my cheek to highlight my face. So pretty. This highlighter is good. Next, I'm using MAC Fix Plus Spray to set my makeup. Then I'm using mascara for my lower lash line. Next is lips. I'm using Adventure Makeup Liquid Matte Lip Lock in the shade Dogs to line my lips. Then I'm using this matte lipstick from Zaron Cosmetics. It's called Bare Face for my lips too. Then I'm adding a clear lip gloss from Absolute for my lips. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. Please don't forget to show me love. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye. I'll see